What propels you, nudges you out of your comfort zone, and stirs the fire within you to strive towards your goals? Yes, it's motivation, the invisible force that separates the unstoppable from the ordinary. Today, we delve into the heart of this force, uncovering the secret sauce to cultivating unwavering motivation. Firstly, align your actions with your passions and purpose. These are the twin engines that power lasting motivation. When your actions resonate with what truly matters to you, motivation naturally flows from within, providing a constant stream of energy towards your goals. Next, define clear and achievable goals. These serve as the compass for your journey, offering direction and infusing your path with a sense of purpose. A well-defined goal can be a powerful motivator, encouraging you to keep moving forward, even when the going gets tough. A positive mindset is another essential ingredient in the recipe for unstoppable motivation. A sunny outlook helps you navigate through challenges and setbacks, keeping your motivation intact. Remember, every cloud has a silver lining, and every challenge is a stepping stone towards your dream. Now let's move on to the secret sauce of motivation. Start by visualizing success. Picture yourself achieving your goals, making success feel real and attainable. This mental imagery acts as a potent motivator, propelling you towards your dreams. Next, embrace resilience. Treat setbacks not as roadblocks but as opportunities for growth. Resilience ensures you remain undeterred in the face of adversity, keeping your motivational flame burning bright. Surrounding yourself with positivity is another effective strategy. Foster motivation by associating with supportive and positive individuals. Their energy can be contagious, boosting your own motivation. And finally, stay committed and consistent. Consistency is the key to progress, while unwavering commitment keeps the fires of motivation alive. But how do you cultivate this unstoppable motivation? Start your day with positive affirmations. These bolster your belief in yourself and your goals, laying a strong foundation for motivation. Don't forget self-care. Maintain your physical health through regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient rest. A healthy body is the temple of a motivated mind. Seek inspiration from those who've walked the path before you. Learn from their stories, draw strength from their struggles, and let their successes inspire you. Celebrate every small win, every milestone on your journey. These celebrations fuel your motivation, encouraging you to aim higher and strive harder. In conclusion, unstoppable motivation is your secret key to success. Align your passions, set clear goals, maintain a positive mindset, and embrace resilience to unlock this secret sauce. Cultivate daily practices, seek inspiration, and celebrate your achievements to keep the motivational flame burning bright on your journey toward a brighter future.